In today's video, let's learn about how to apply for Google AdSense PIN. After your YouTube channel monetization, it's very important to apply for Google AdSense PIN. Without this PIN, you will not get payment from the YouTube partner. Before starting this video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. After your YouTube channel gets monetized, when you started earning, you will get an important notification at the top of your screen stating, please sign in to your AdSense account to verify your identity. This is required to receive future payments and continue monetizing. Click on Earn. Here it says Getting Paid, Action Required. Click on Get Started. It will navigate you to Google AdSense sign-in page. Sign in to your AdSense account. Action required. There is something to check in your AdSense for YouTube Payments account. Click on Go to Payments, or you can also click on Notification icon. Click on Go to Payments. Provide some info about yourself to continue. Click on Verify Now. To verify your identity, you need to upload any one of these ID proofs. Accepted documents are driver license, passport, national identity card or residence permit. Click on this checkbox and click on Start Verification button. Under Personal Identity section, you need to enter your full legal name. Select the ID type you want to upload. I want to upload my national identity card. You need to upload a clear picture of your front and back of your ID proof. I have uploaded my national identity card. Click Next. Here, enter your current residence address which should match with your ID proof you have uploaded. Click on Submit. Now verification is in progress. Thanks for submitting your information. We will review it and get back to you in a few days. Your identity verification is in progress. Please allow a few days for verification. Once our identity verification is completed, we will receive an email from Google Payments. Let's log into Google AdSense again. Your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. Click on Verify Address. Identity verification is completed. Address verification is pending. Your PIN is sent by standard post and may take up to 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. PIN will expire in 4 months. If we don't verify our address within the expiry date, ads will not show on our site. Once I get my PIN, I will show you how to verify address and how to link our bank account to Google AdSense. Stay tuned.